Hello, Auto Assets here, just giving you a walk around this BMW R1250RT. Comes with the BMW panniers there. And we'll do a full walk around of the bike and get her started up. So we'll start down here at the forks. Everything looking good. Got adventure lights on both sides. LED headlights and adjustable screen, and there's a little scuff on here and a little scuff on here as well. We've got your AU export. We've also got in this little compartment section for your phone with the USB, and you've got another compartment over here. This one's just a empty one. So there you go, hopefully you can see that. Comes with the TFT BMW screen, some nice protective stickers. Bodywork is in good condition, no rips and tears in the seat, and you've got the nice RT logo there as well. Exhaust is looking good, and again, nice Michelin Road 6 GT tyres in the back. Swing arm is looking good, no concerns there, and nice Brembo brakes as well. A couple of little scratches here, but nothing major. There we go. Up here we've got quite a few controls. So we've got your cruise control here, which is radar guided, so you can control how close and how far away you want to be from the car in front. Adjustable screen, adventure lights, obviously your menu and your iDrive system here as well. Should you ever need it, you've got your SOS button, central locking, road modes, and then the button to start the bike up, which is what we'll do just now. Let's get the bike started and you can hear how she sounds. So the bike is keyless, so we'll just start her up. Comes with an alarm fitted in. Now, I'll just get the lights on and let the bike warm up so you can see the indicators there. See the nice LED lighting. We've got standard running light will be there as well, so I'll just turn that back off, that's it off. Up here you've got a few different things, so we'll go to the modes here. So you just push this button, you'll see you've got the choice of dynamic, eco, rain, mode. Here you've got your adjustable screen. I'll leave that fully extended. When we turn the bike off, yeah, it will automatically go back down just to help with keeping the bike all nice and tidy. I'll put the adventure lights on there as well. Again, really easy to do. The button. And your menus here, so you've got quite a lot of different controls. Trip, miles per gallon, loads of wee bits and bobs you can go into there as well, along with your navigation. Yeah, telephone, loads of different little settings in there as well. Again, heating wise, look at that, you've got grip and heated seat, along with a heated seat for the rear. So plenty of things to kind of work your way through. Let me give the bike a few revs and you can hear how she sounds. I'll just go back to the main screen. There we go. I'll just give it a few revs, you can hear how she sounds. With the lane assist, very easy to use. You'll see it there. So you can control how close you want to be to the car in front whilst you're on cruise control. I'll turn the bike off. That will then bring that screen back down to its resting point, and there we have it, the BMW R1250RT. Any questions you've got with the bike, please let me know.